sound in a peaceful tone, singing hope we'd never outgrow.